Yo, what's up, y'all? It's no longer that weird. I hope you can hear me okay. Today I changed location for the first time, and I'm walking from the train station towards my old school. So no longer walking around it. Well, that's an achievement. And today has been really positive in terms of achieving or in terms of pursuing and getting closer to my goals, because I spent like 3 to 4 hours working on my sales tunnel, on my sales funnel, and working on my offer, writing the sales scripts and all the copywriting stuff, you know. And I was also really heavy into the altcoins, meme coins, researching. I tried to buy some Ethereum on the MetaMask exchange, but I had to authorize it, and my parents weren't at home, so I couldn't do it. But it's everything is set up, you know. Now I gotta get the leads in, I gotta get the buyers in, the buyers interested, and I got a cold DM or cold outreach. Do the cold outreach basically. And I was thinking I'm going to buy the Meta Verified, the blue tick on the Instagram, so I seem more authentic, I seem more real. But after some consultations with ChatGPT, I realized that it would be better to buy those things after I get some money in, because right now I made $0. So that's a small update. And also in the meme coin, altcoin, crypto trading group that I'm in, they dropped some actual specific names of some coins they recommend. So I looked all of them up, I researched a bit about them, and some of them seem promising, you know, like the Mark coin and the Ton, 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 Telegram coin. So yup. And there's also the PP coin and the WIF coin, and then the Giga coin. Some of them are meme coins, and the Telegram one has an actual utility to it, which is really nice, and I think there's a huge potential. And Morrisdale confirmed it, so that's great news, or that's great info. And other than that, I worked out quite intense today. Did some circuit training, and I still have a broken pinky toe, and it still hurts as fuck when I walk in my Jordans, because they are quite small. It's half a size smaller than the usual ones, or than my usual shoes, because they didn't have the larger ones in stock. So yep, so running in them to the bus stop is really very comfortable. And yeah, I gotta start developing the web application or the web game, and gotta get the graphics designed and some of the structures, you know, and stuff like that. Yeah, but other than that, I think I made a huge progress today, and I can finally start outreaching, because finally I have a product and some offer to basically outreach for, you know, so I can finally film those beautiful Instagram aesthetic reels with day in life of a 15-year-old entrepreneur, where I'll put the cold outreach for half an hour basically. So that's amazing. And yeah, and I'm getting closer to my old school, and this video is coming to an end, and I'm really looking forward to these next 3 months, because I just realized that I have so much going on in my life finally. And this is what I always wanted. So yeah, I will update you tomorrow and hopefully post this video today or tomorrow. And have an amazing rest of your day. And hopefully someone is watching it finally. If someone is actually watching it, please comment something under this video and how you liked it. And I see some people, and they can probably hear me, but that won't stop me from making this. Yeah, I'm at the school, and bye.